Hello guys, welcome back to my video. This is Harshvardhan from IIT Bhubaneswar. In our Python series, today we are going to discuss about the logical operators. Now we will see the logical operators in detail. Now what is meant by logical operator? In general, I will explain you in detail that our logical operator will establish a relation between two conditions or more conditions. So we can write as it will establish relation it will establish relation between two or more conditions. So we can see that logical operator will establish a relation between two or more conditions. Now we will see in detail the following are the logical operator. The first one is AND. So AND will establish a relation between two operations. Before proceeding with these operations, I need to tell that here the logical means there is only two options for us. The first one is true and second one is false. These are only the two possible ways for which we can find the logical operations. Now I will tell with how the AND works and how the OR operation works and how the NOT operation works for us in a tabular form. Suppose we are having two conditions. I will make a line arrangement. Now here we are going to use four conditions. Yes, and this is used for AND. So I will explain for everything. The first one is we are using for AND. So if the first condition is true and the second condition is true, first condition is true but the second condition is false. The first condition is a false but second condition is true. The first condition is a false but second condition is also false. Now this is the four different permutation and combination that we are having. Now we will see the AND results. AND will only happen true if both the conditions are true. Otherwise, it will give directly false. So when the both conditions are true, we will get true. In the remaining case, whether even one false occur in the relation, we will get only false. False. Here there is a false, so we will get false. Okay. The same exact opposite action will be done by OR operation. Now we will see the OR operation here. Suppose we draw the same diagram. Minus, minus. This is the third one, and we'll make a segments here. First one, second one. Okay. Now this is for second one for OR. This is for OR statement. The same permutation combination we will apply first true, second true, first true, but second is false. First is false, but second is true. First is false, and also second is false. It is true. Okay. Now for this, for the OR operation, even there exists of a one true, it will be true. We can see here the combination true true. Yes, one true is there. Yes, of course. So it is true. Now, is there is one true here? Yes, so it is true. Is there is one true here? Yes, so it is true. Is there is any true here? No, so it is false. This is the OR operation. And third, we need to do just NOT operation. NOT is exactly, but it is opposite. NOT indicates it is opposite. For NOT operation, we are having only two conditions. Now we'll see the conditions in detail, and it's a third one called NOT operation. NOT means exact opposite. If the condition is true, we will get as a false. If the condition is a false, we will get a true. So these are the conditions and or not table implementation. Now we will proceed with the Python implementation in our Jupyter book. Okay. Now we will proceed with the Jupyter book here. Now we will see here. Now, and one thing that I need to tell you that any values, I will go for another page. Any values, remember this first point. Any any values other than 0 is true. It can be any value other than 0 is true. Second one, 0 indicates false. Okay, hope you got clarity. Guys, now we will proceed with our practical implementation in Python, how it actually works. Okay, now we're going to execute. I will consider the value of A as true. It should be capital. And I will consider the B value as a false. And I have proceeded. Now I will apply AND operation. A and B. If I execute it for true and false case, I need to get false, as I have already taught you here. For true and false, my case should be false. You can clearly see for true and false, my case is false. Now for the OR operation, for true and false, it should be true. Now we will check whether true is coming or not. Okay, for operation, I will use like A or B. Wow, I got true. Okay, you can clearly see here I got false for and here I got true. Now, can we check for not operation? Of course, I can check, but for not operation, you need to give only one variable allotment because not A. If I type, it will give false. Why it has given false? I have given A as a true, but if you have given not A, so we have encountered with a false. Now, hopefully now you understand what's going on. Okay. Now I will tell some things that now I will erase these things here from the screen. Okay. Now we will proceed further. So for not B, I will get true, of course, because B is a false, but I am asking not B, so it is giving us any true value. Okay. Now I will include C. So for C, I will give as true. Okay, now we will see the establishment of relation between three conditions. I will ask my system to give A and B and C. Now here, listen carefully what will happen. I will explain here in detail what will happen. So I have told that I will make a new page. I have given that for A, I have given true. For B, I have given false. For C, I have given true. So I have asked my system to give A and B and C. Now my system will calculate in this manner. What is A and B? True and false, it is false. Now false and C. What is C? It is true. So false and true. What is answer is false. Now in this manner it will proceed. If you see carefully, if I execute it, the answer should be false. Okay. Hope you are understanding it. Okay. Now we will proceed with same with or statement. A or B or C. Okay. Now for the same, you also try. I will explain here. For A or B or C. Now what will happen? A is true or false or true. For true or false, it is true. Now, true or true, of course, it is true. So, my answer should come as true. Now, we will see whether my answer is coming as a true or not. Of course, my answer is coming as a true. So, in this manner, the logical operators will occur. So, now I will give a small assignment to you. So, you do the assignment and mention your answer in the comment section. Okay. Now I am giving you a question like your first question is A and B but or C. And second one A or B and C. So you try to implement in your online compilers and tell me the answer of these two questions in the comment section. So I am expecting your answers in the comment section. And guys, you need to subscribe if you like my content, and please like video, share among your friends, and especially subscribe to my channel. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Waiting for your subscription. Bye bye.